Hi, welcome back to my channel. In this video I will show you how to edit pink sunset filter using Lightroom Mobile app. Here are example photos before and after using this filter. So let's start editing. First go to Light. Exposure -0.30. Contrast 30. Highlights -100. Shadows 30. Whites -43. And blacks 36. Next go to curves. And follow these steps. And done. Next go to color. Temperature 10. Tint 10. Vibrance 26. Saturation -12. Go to color mix. First go to red color. Hue -42. Saturation 10. Luminance -11. Go to orange. Hue 21. Saturation -40. Luminance -10. Go to yellow color. Hue -38. Saturation -10. Luminance -46. Go to aqua. Hue 100. Saturation -100. And done. Next go to Effect. Clarity 30. Dehaze 18. Vignette -14. Go to Split Tone. Hue 290 and Saturation 20 for highlights. And done. Next go to Detail. Sharpening 8. Noise Reduction 21. color noise reduction 15. And finish. Now let's try to copy this preset to other photo. Copy settings. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more presets.